Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a lighthouse in ink and wash, and I wanted to talk firstly about changing your reference photographs. So rather than relying on your reference photograph for your composition, think about maybe altering your composition to make the picture that you want. I wanted to do a lighthouse, but I wanted to do it in very cheerful summery colours and perhaps have some red on it. And the photograph that I got to work from that I thought would be a really nice one, simple one for us to get the shape of the lighthouse, was actually a little bit overcast and dull. So I'll just show you it here. So this is the photograph I've got, and as you can see it's a really nice clear picture of the lighthouse itself for doing the actual drawing, but I want to make it a bit more cheerful than this. So I'm going to make the colours a bit more intense. I'm going to do the sky bluer, the sea bluer, and have some more colour in the foreground. Also, you might want to move the lighthouse itself, or you might just want to use the lighthouse and completely ignore everything else and make an imaginary scene behind it. So really just think about making the picture that you want and not just copying photographs. Move things around, move objects around, change the colours and have a bit of fun with them, but just use them for that reference to help you get your drawing. So firstly I'm going to start with ink and draw the shape of the lighthouse, and then some very loose lines around for everything else, and then have a little bit of fun putting some nice bright colours on. So let me know what you think in the comments below if you like working in ink and wash and if you enjoyed this video. For those of you that do enjoy working in line and wash, I've actually just made my first Skillshare course. I did put a video on about that last week, but for those of you that missed it, I will put the link again in the description below to that course. It will ask you to sign up when you go along to Skillshare. There's lots and lots of courses on there, not just art, but you do get your first 2 months free, and of course you can cancel after those 2 months if it's not for you. So I'll put that link below, and I've got a full lesson there, or course of 15 lessons for beginners on doing a landscape in ink and wash. So that's totally free, because like I say, you can always cancel it after the 2 months is up. And I'm new to Skillshare, so it's all new for me, and for those of you that use it regularly, let me know what you think, and if you think it's worthwhile me putting some more tutorials on there that are longer than the ones I can do here on YouTube. So thank you very much for watching, enjoy the rest of the video and enjoy your painting. Bye for now.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna do my wine, Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine.